Welcome to my garage. I am working on finishing this exposed edge right there. And I'm going to use this 1x3 that I've already cut to length. And next up, I'm going to scribe these, but I'm going to do it using a template so that I only have to do it once and then just replicate it for every of these ribs. Here's my first go at this, and I'm gonna cut it out and see if it fits. Ooh, that's pretty good. I think I'm gonna put a piece of tape here just to close that up, but the side on the right looks really good. Look at that, it looks pretty. All right, we marked all of them, and now I'm just double checking that they are perfectly lined up, because once we cut one, we gotta make sure we don't misstep. Probably need to cut that down a little bit more. Probably need to cut that one up a little bit more. All right, so we decided to move those wires back. So I pulled up the VHB roof tape and put some Goo Gone on so I can scrape off all that residue before we move them further back towards the foam. Here's a roll of the roof tape, or VHB tape. I'm gonna cut this up, secure those wires further back under the floor. Then I need to sand this, cut it so that it's just sits underneath this edge, and then she'll fit. So it fits underneath, but the wires are still on the way. And I had VHB taped it.
All you gotta do is go down this way.
You can see where my dad carved that out to allow for the wires. All right, we got the metal piece cut. You can see it. And tomorrow I'm gonna paint the wood white, and then we can attach it. Hi, Blaze! Blaze's first snowy, sleety ice. All right, we've got our piece right here. It is fully dried, and all I gotta do is wipe this out. I went camping since last weekend. She's all installed. The only thing that I want to do next, but it's too cold, is to caulk this gap, which it did not look this big when I cut this board. So that's interesting, but I have the caulk. It's just way too cold. It's less than 40 degrees right now. So that will have to wait. But I love how this looks. It really looks finished, which is pretty awesome. A sloppy mess. That looks so much better. Nice finished trim piece.